Aitana Lopez with 362,000 followers, Kyra with 247,000 followers, and Miquela with 2.4 million followers. These beautiful influencers make over $10,000 every month. But you know the interesting part? They're not even real. They're totally AI-generated girls. According to a report by the APOB blog, Aitana Lopez earns up to 10,000 euros every month. Meanwhile, The Cut reports that Lil Miquela makes over $10 million a year. These AI girls are working with big brands, getting followers, and making real money without even existing. So here's the question. If they can do it, why can't you? So I made this cute AI influencer for myself. Have a quick look, and then I'll show you how you can make one too. I hope you liked the AI influencer I created. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make one just like her. So don't skip anything. And I share everything here for free with smart tricks. So make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and search, give me a prompt for my AI model, 20 years old Korean girl, wearing black top and blue shorts, sitting in a cafe and drinking coffee. ChatGPT will give you a nice prompt here. Now search for Tensor Art and go to this website. First, you need to sign up. Also, if you want free unlimited email accounts, you can watch my first video. I've explained everything there. After signing up, go to the model option, scroll down a little, and you'll see this model. Click Run, and then click Run again. Now pay close attention to my settings. Only then your AI model will look realistic with one account. You'll get 50 free credits, which means you can generate 25 images of your AI girl. After that, you can create a new account and repeat the same process to generate more using the same settings. Now comes a very important part, the seed. Enter any random seed number, but remember it. I'll explain its purpose later. Now take the prompt you got from ChatGPT, paste it here, and click Generate. In just 2 minutes, your AI model will be ready. You can see how high quality and real she looks. Here's a cool tip. If you use the same seed number every time, you'll get the same face of the AI girl. Now, I'll enter some more prompts and generate extra images just to show you how the same girl keeps getting created. If you don't like the girl, just change the seed number to generate a different one. Now look, this is our new AI influencer. You can directly post her on Instagram or any social media platform. She's completely ready to upload. That's everything about image generation. But now, if you want to convert this image into a video, how do you do it? Step 2. Head over to Kling AI's website. If the site doesn't load, just connect any free VPN. It'll open right up. Now, sign up here. After that, click on the video section. Now upload your AI image here. Next, go back to ChatGPT and search, give me an image to video prompt where my AI girl is sipping coffee in a cafe. ChatGPT will give you a really great prompt. Copy that prompt. Return to the Kling AI website, paste it into the prompt box, and simply click on Generate. In just 2 to 3 minutes, your video will be ready. You can see how amazing this video looks. Now, if you want to take the quality to the next level, I'll say it again. Watch my first video. I've explained everything there in detail. So guys, I hope I explained everything in a really simple way. If you liked the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.